Hi. So Diwali was only 2 days to go, and my mom was losing her mind because the Diwali decorations was due. So we all quickly headed out to home center, and here we are skimming through all the lovely decor. Honestly, I thought it was worth it because the collection there is stunning, and I will highly recommend it except for the flowers because I thought it's too pricey. And after a full evening of wasting our time in confusion as in which item we should buy, we finally reached home. So here is a quick unboxing of what we got. I think we bought 4 or 5 items. The first one was these 4 colored glass tumblers. They were super cute in purple, turquoise, orange, and pink. The second item was a huge red colored vase. I think everything that we got was of glass. It was just a coincidence. And here is another red glass decor. And finally is this glass candle stand which is super unique because it looks as if it's broken, but it's not, believe me. And we also got some cushion covers. So here are all the handmade candles and the decor items, and I had to find a place for all of these the next day. So it was the next day, and we all got into cleaning and putting up the fairy lights, which was an annual task. And after 3 hours of quarreling and fighting with my sister over some menial things, we actually managed to do the work. And then my camera died and I could not record anything, but I clicked some before and after picture of how my room actually looked like. These transformations are so satisfying for my OCD brain. Have you guys seen those room cleaning videos on YouTube? Do you find those satisfying? Honestly, I love seeing those. And this is the corner of my room which is pretty much empty, and I wanted to do something out of the space. And this is the spot I wanted to spice things up a bit. The first thing which I added was my grandfather's old chest, which I found somewhere in the storeroom. I have also read somewhere that mirrors are a good decor item because it actually makes your room look a lot bigger than it actually is. But I did not have a big mirror, so I just used this small antique one which I found from a place I don't remember. But being the plant mom that I am, I added some ferns because it's indoor, and some knickknacks here and there, some decor items, and of course the candles. And with this, my Diwali decoration was nearly to an end, and now it was time for some beautiful aesthetic shots.
Excuse us, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2,